We are at one of the major landmarks here in Srinagar, the famous Dal Lake. The unfortunate incident yesterday where 26 people were killed. The fears, the anxiety, the apprehension that it may have impacted the tourists. But we have with us a group of tourists who are here at the Dal Lake, and let's talk to some of them on what has happened yesterday and if there is any sort of apprehensions. आप कहाँ से सुना होगा उसके बाद भी आप डर का माहौल आप
नहीं एक्चुअली कल थोड़ा सा डर का माहौल था, इसलिए हम मेडिकल पहलगाम जाने वाले थे। जब पता चला न्यूज़ के बारे में तो पहलगाम से हम इधर आए। थोड़ा सा था कि यहाँ रुकना सही रहेगा या नहीं, थोड़ा सा सोच के आज बाकी ये करके आज हम घूमे श्रीनगर बाकी एक दो स्पॉट, बट अभी आज यहाँ सेफ लग रहा है। ऐसे डर का मामला नहीं लग रहा है। जहाँ वास ये है आर्मी फोर्स है।
और आप कितने दिन के ट्रिप के लिए आए हैं?
7 डेज।
और आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे
यहाँ सेफ फील होता है तो करेंगे।
Thank you so much. So there you have people, they're continuing with their visit to Kashmir as these tourists mentioned that they hear it's a week-long program. There is sense of apprehension, sort of anxiety on what's going to happen because of the kind of magnitude of the tragedy that took place yesterday. And that's the reason why people are a little apprehensive, tourists are apprehensive. In fact, the stakeholders, the tourism industry, that is a little shaken by this incident, and they're hoping that it really doesn't impact the industry, because it had come back on the tracks after many months. The footfall had increased, and in fact, if you heard these tourists saying that they've gone to the tulip gardens, that's the world famous tulip gardens here in Srinagar, but the incident has shaken the common people on the ground. We, in fact, earlier reported about the shutdown, Srinagar observing a shutdown in solidarity with the victims. There is a general belief that what happened yesterday was not wrong. In fact, a gruesome massacre of innocent tourists, that was something that has been criticized. And in fact, many organizations, including the trade organization from Kashmir, from Srinagar, have in fact criticized what has happened, and they have expressed their solidarity. On the security front, the hunt is on for those terrorists who are responsible for the killing of these 26. Home Minister Amit Shah, as we mentioned earlier, he's in Srinagar. He came yesterday night and he held a meeting with officials yesterday. As we speak, there's a lot of security drills exercises going on to hunt and track down those responsible for the killing of these innocent 26 tourists. Reporting from Srinagar, this is Rohit Ban for the Tribune.